Welcome to e-learning classes of Seth Chotilal Academy RAT, Class 6, Subject Science, Chapter 5, Chapter Name is Separation of Substances. Children, in the previous classes, we have discussed about sorting materials into groups. Now we are going to start new chapter. Chapter name is Separation of Substances. Today we will start new topic. Topic name is pure substances. What is pure substances? Those substances they are made up of only one types of particles is known as pure substances. Example, water. Water is the example of pure substances because water is made up of only one types of particles. Now next heading is mixture. What is mixture? Those substances those are made up of two or more particles known as mixture. Example, air. Air is the example of mixture because air is made up of many gases like as oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, helium and other gases. Now next heading is methods of separation. There are different types of methods are used in different types of separation. Methods of separation depend on types of mixture. Now next heading is hand picking. The process of manual removal of components of a mixture based on their difference in their sizes, shapes, appearances or qualities is called hand picking. Example, removing of small stones from rice and pulses. Now next method is magnetic separation. Suppose you have a mixture of a plastic beads and solid iron beads of a same size in a container. How would you separate such a mixture? We cannot separate this mixture by hand picking. But these mixture we can separate with the help of magnetic separation. When a magnet is brought close to the mixture, the iron beads get attracted to the magnet and thus they get separated from the plastic beads. Now next heading is thrashing. What is thrashing? Now we will discuss about harvesting before thrashing. What is harvesting? Harvesting is the process of collecting the crops. It's called harvesting. What is thrashing? The next step after harvesting is called thrashing. It involves separating the grains from the stalks by beating the stalk on the hard surface. There are two types of thrashing. First, manually and second is by machines. Nowadays, machines are used for thrashing.